Tired of your AirPods only working with your iPhone? If you've been wondering how to connect AirPods to a Windows laptop, you're in the right place. This is the super simple, step-by-step guide you've been looking for. If you've ever felt that frustration when your AirPods don't just magically appear on your PC like they do with Apple devices, I totally get it. It can seem confusing, but I promise it doesn't have to be. Hey everyone, I'm Anna from For Real, and in the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to smoothly pair your AirPods with any Windows laptop. No more confusion, just crystal clear audio for your meetings, music, and videos. Let's dive in. Okay, step 1 is the most important. We need to tell your AirPods they're looking for a new friend. Grab your AirPods case, keep the earbuds inside, and open the lid. Now, turn it around and you'll see a small circular button. Press and hold this button. Keep holding it. You'll see the little light on the front of the case turn white and start flashing. That flashing white light means you're officially in AirPods pairing mode. Step 2. Great, now leave the case open and let's move over to your Windows laptop. The quickest way to get where we need to go is with a keyboard shortcut. Press the Windows key and the letter I at the same time. This will open up the main settings window. From the menu on the left-hand side, click on Bluetooth and Devices. This is the central hub for everything wireless. Quick pause. If you're finding this tutorial helpful so far, please give this video a quick like. It really helps others find this solution. Okay, back to the final step. Step 3. All right, at the top of the Bluetooth and Devices screen, you'll see a big button that says Add Device. Go ahead and click that. A new window pops up asking what kind of device you want to add. Since AirPods use Bluetooth, you'll click the very first option that just says Bluetooth. Now your laptop is searching, give it a few seconds, and there they are. You should see your AirPods appear in the list. Just click on their name. It will say Connecting, and then your device is ready to go. That's it. You've successfully managed to pair your AirPods with your PC. You can now close these windows. One quick tip. If for some reason you don't see your AirPods in the list, the most common issue is that they've timed out of pairing mode. Don't worry. Just close the case lid for a few seconds, open it back up, and press and hold that back button again until the light flashes white. Then try adding the device in Windows again. That almost always fixes it. And there you have it. You now know exactly how to connect AirPods to a Windows laptop. No more being locked into one ecosystem. You can now enjoy great wireless audio on all of your devices for work and play. If you found this tutorial useful and want more simple tech tips for the tools you use every day, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on the next video from For Real. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped you today. And let me know in the comments, what other device do you wish worked better with Windows? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.